Once again, the boxes are a big hit. I think they like the idea of the double box because this lid provides like a pseudo shelter, so one can kind of hide out a little bit. These guys are starting to get even more energetic. They go on like 3-hour benders at any time during the day or night. It can be exhausting. Well, there you go. So, now I guess I have to intervene. You all right now? These guys are obsessed with getting into the bathroom. I've had to shut it because they got in the trash and I found everything shredded all over the bedroom. It can be a handful at times, I'm not gonna lie. It's not all just fun and games. Trying to chase them away for things that are hazardous. But I mean, literally, you're pulling one off and all the others are trying to do the exact same thing. I found bite marks in the wire here. Been hanging out behind the little fan I got rolling. They've started to pick up the bad habits of their mother, where they're basically only eating the gravy. So most of that canned food gets dried out and thrown out. So I'm probably up to like 5 or 6 cans a day. I don't know. I think I gotta find a recipe for gravy that they'll enjoy, because I'm gonna be going through like 5-6 cases a month of the food, so it's a little disheartening that I throw most of it away. Still dealing with the chest issues, that's why my voice is a little froggy here. But these guys are being healthier than I am, so all is well with them. They're exhausting. They don't stay down for naps as long as I had hoped, but